If you're looking for a comfortable, well-equipped apart-hotel in Fuengirola, Mediterraneo Real Apartamentos Turi sticos is a fantastic option. Located in the Los Boliches area, it offers a quiet yet central location, just a 10-minute walk from the beach and close to supermarkets, restaurants and public transport. The spacious apartments are a major highlight, featuring fully equipped kitchens, modern decor, air conditioning and private balconies. Whether you're staying for a short holiday or a long-term visit, the self-catering facilities make it a convenient and budget-friendly choice for families, couples and groups. The hotel also offers a large outdoor swimming pool, jacuzzi, sun terrace, and a poolside bar, providing a great place to relax and unwind. There's an on-site restaurant and cafe, serving a mix of Spanish and international dishes, though many guests prefer to explore the nearby dining options. With friendly staff, a peaceful atmosphere, and excellent facilities, Mediterraneo Real is ideal for those who want more space and flexibility than a traditional hotel while still enjoying resort-style amenities. If you're after a well-located modern apartment stay in Fuengirola, this is a great choice.